Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Well, from the last video where we made the communication system of our AI, we are going to add some functionalities to it. So in the previous video you came to know how can you make your computer to understand yourself and how can your computer would talk back to you. So in this video we are going to make some advancements in our AI. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So here where we left last time. So now we want to know if our AI is running or it has started. So what we are going to do is come here after this in the speak function, and then we will define another function named wish wish me. So why we are doing this? Because in Amazon Alexa and Google Home, they kind of glow up or give a hint that they have started. So in this case we are talking to our computer, and not our computer, we are talking with our program. So our program doesn't have flashy lights or any kind of hint throwing now. So we are going to make the hint for our user to know actually that the AI started. So we are going to define it wish me, then we are going to, sorry, after wish me give it, do not forget to give it brackets. Then what we are going to do, we are going to import another module. The module name is date and time. Well, we don't need to install it because it's already installed in our Python package. So it comes pretty much built into our Python package, so we don't need to install it, just we need to import it. Then in after our wish me function, we are going to write, we are not going to write, we are going to write a variable. So we will write our variable, which will have in which will get our integer, which means numbers, from the date and time function. After date and time we will write dot date time, which is a command, dot now, which is another command, I would say. So date and time, data time, dot now. Then we are going to get the hour out of it, which is what, sorry, not here. After the bracket say dot hour, which is another, what do we say, part or something. So it's, now we get our hour from our date and time module. Now we are going to use our hour. So what it this function we are making, going to wish us that good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, like that. So we are going to measure some parameters here. So if hour, which is our variable to get hour, so if hour, it is, how we say that, greater than, and give it equal to 7, well, at that time it's starting to morning. So when our user will activate at 7, and if the user activates it, the program, after 18, we are making this system in 24-hour format, so keep that in mind. Okay, let's make it 12. So the program will wish the user from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. good morning. So if hour is less than equal to, sorry, greater than equal to 7 or less than 12, it will speak good, sorry, give it parenthesis and say good morning. Okay, so we are done. And if it's after that, which is from the noon or afternoon, so in that case we will write elif, which stands for elif. So if the first if statement is not used, in that case our elif will work. So then elif, sorry, elif if our equals to, sorry, greater than equals to what, 12, because 12 is the last hour when our program will say good morning to us. So we need to start the noon from the 12 here. So then we are going to, and our, it is less than 18. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, which means 6 p.m. I think. Okay, 6 p.m. So it will be fine. So from 12 to 16 it will say, I mean, speak, remember to give it parenthesis, good afternoon. Afternoon. Okay, afternoon will be, okay, not go. Why the keyboard is not responding? So good, and then after that, so if, so after that it's basically we say good evening. So we will write elif, sorry, not sorry, elif, it will else it will say, I mean, speak good evening. Okay, so now here it's evening time. So let's see what we are going to run it for the first time. Let's see what our program wishes us. And in the last episode we mistakenly didn't disable this print statement, so be sure to disable that by clicking control and 3, sorry, shift and 3, and it will give it a hashtag and disable it. So after that we are going to know what if our program is wishing us. Okay, what, 12 Oh, okay. Remember to give it colon after every if and elif line. We mistakenly didn't give it. Now let's see. Hey, what the? Okay, okay, okay. So we didn't call it here. So we will write wish me function here. And yes, let's see if it works. Or is it not wishing us?
Good evening.
Okay, okay. The problem is that our command function is up, and we know that what is up, it's first for in Python. So place this wish me up, sorry, wish me kind of up here, wish me, and let's see if it works now.
Good evening.
Okay, now it's wishing us pretty well, and it won't say good evening because that's boring. Let's make a program to give her perspective to us every time she activates. Okay, so now we are going to write speak hi there, I am Monday, as we name this AI. I am Monday. Hi there, I'm Monday. Sorry. Okay, don't write the short I am, write I am Monday and give it dots so it can remain some space between the another line. So it will say hi there, I am Monday, and it will ask how could she help us. So it will say how can I help you. Give it parentheses at the beginning and at the ending of your line, so it will speak. Now let's see if it speaks to us like that.
Good evening. Hi there, I am Monday. How can I help you?
Okay, as line by line. Okay, don't write hi there because after greetings it doesn't sound pretty, so note that and let's
Good
see.
evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Okay, so now it's working perfectly. Okay, so we need to close here and let's move on to the next functionality that we are going to, which is knowing the time. Now I know it's kind of boring, but it is what it is, right? Okay, so what we are going to do, well, as you notice that I have cleaned the command part here. What is it going to do? So we are going to write a while loop here. So while true, so okay, give it like ca- capital T, yes, while true, then what it will do. So while true, if if let's say time in the command, in time after the parenthesis, right, in command. So if time is in command, now again we are going to make use of our date and time module. So we will write, what do we say, tide. This variable has been chosen from the popular proverb time and tide waits for none. So we will write tide variable here, and we will say date and time dot string time, which is here, and in here we will write percentage. What is the percentage? Okay, percentage hour for hour. Sorry, give it give it capital H dot, sorry, write this, and we will give it H for hour and M for minute. So capital M here. Okay, capital M, and we didn't give it parentheses, so give it parentheses, and I think it's kind of working. Then we are going to speak the tide. Okay, let's see.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Okay, what is if time in command? So function is not okay. Let's see what is our problem. You need to define time as a variable here also. So let's see if it night time. Let's see if it works. Okay.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
What? Why is it not working? Okay, we didn't write. Okay, let's just delete it and again delete this date time dot now. We will write here, so it will, hey, not comma, dot now, say it. Okay, dot now, then dot, okay, not after the bracket, say what turf time, which is a string, which will give us a string format of that time. So we will write parenthesis here and give percentage, percentage h again, then give it colon and say percentage m. Make sure those h and m are in the uppercase or capital letter, which one you prefer. Now let's see if it works.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Oh, okay, so we found the problem. If your command, write this command again, and let's see. Okay, so you have to get brackets after the command, so it will say it will call the command function here, and because we didn't give brackets, the previous time, so it didn't call the command function here and it gave us error. Let's see if it works out.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
What's the time?
2:11.
Okay, it's at 2:11. Now it it is showing the hour and minute in the 24-hour format. So basically we don't want the 24-hour format, so instead we are going to switch to 12-hour format, which is am or pm. So we will say percentage I, where is I, then percentage m, give it that, and then it will be percentage, or is percentage p, and it could be lower hand. And yeah, that's it. Let's run this for hour again.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Tell me the time. Okay, it didn't recognize. Tell me the time.
02:12 a.m.
Hey, what? Okay, let's spice it up a bit. Let's say, okay, not like that. We'll say it's okay. We'll say it's okay. It is. Let's say it is, because hey, you can write short forms here. Let's see, it is, and after the parenthesis write plus, and it will say it is and the time. Let's see if it works right now.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Tell me the time. Tell me the time.
It is 02:13 a.m.
Okay. Okay, where did we mistake here? So colon won't be added. Let's see if it works now.
Good evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Tell me the time. Tell me the time.
It is 02:14 a.m.
Hey, it's 2. Okay, let's try that again. Tell me the time. Tell me the time, please. Tell me the time. Tell me the time. Okay, the microphone is pretty jerky, so we need to change that. And let's
Good
see.
evening. I am Monday. How can I help you?
Tell me the time. Tell me the time.
It is 02:15 a.m.
0215. Okay. So 0 to it is okay, it's correct. So yeah, it's working. So well, that's pretty much wraps up for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell, because we are just going to add some functionalities to it. And most importantly, do not forget to give your ideas for giving functionalities for this AI in the comments down below. And we hope to see you in the next one.